Stop, breathe, look around you. The world is breathing, are you? Sén Velor, the awakening begins now. There's a rhythm in the roots, a secret in the soil, beyond the human shadow and the daily toil. The dew on the leaf is a diamond in the sun. Can't you see the miracle has already begun? We walk through the garden with our eyes tight shut, lost in the noise in a deep dark rut. But the trees are our love and the water is our blood. Awake from the slumber, arise from the flood. I feel the pulse, it's starting to rise from the base of my spine to the light in my eyes. Energy spinning, the wheels of the soul. Nature is part of me, making me whole. Open the gates, unlock the light. We are the nature, we are the might. The spirit wings are spreading wide. No more fear, no place to hide. Be conscious, be here, be now. To the ancient age and we finally bow. The sky is a mirror of the fire within. Where does the forest end and where do I begin? Every breath I take is a gift from the past. Connection is eternal, crossing all the lines. Be aware of the insect, be aware of the stone. In this living web, you are never alone. Wake up your senses, let the static disappear. The voice of the planet is all you should hear. Unleash the power. Open the gate.